Hi, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to fully load, or some people call it jailbreak, the Fire Stick. But in this video, we're specifically going to focus on installing and telling you the best applications. So for free movies, free TV shows, live TV, and a lot of content. And the reason for this is I can show you how to jailbreak the Fire Stick fully loaded and leave you off with a store with over 60 applications. And which ones would you know are working and which ones are not? You wouldn't. You would have to waste time and try all of them. So we're not going to waste time here. We're going to do it quickly. We're going to get you exactly what you need. And I'm going to give you the best recommended apps, in my opinion, that are working today. That's why I release these videos all the time, to tell you which ones are working, because what was working last year is no longer working this year. Therefore, this is most up-to-date content and most up-to-date video. Okay? Now, if you have a new Fire Stick, or you have a Fire Stick and you're connected to the internet, the first vital step you want to do is go to the settings button right there. And from here, you want to go to My Device or My Fire TV. For me, it says My Fire TV. You want to click on your device. Now, you'll see an About section. And I have developer options. If you don't have developer options, this is fine. This is what we're doing in this video. You're going to click on About. You see your device name. Mine is the Fire TV. Newtech's third Fire TV 4K Max 2nd generation. It doesn't matter which device you use. Click on the device name highlighted like it's highlighted and click on it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer, because I already had developer options turned on. But when you click on it 8 times, it should turn developer options on. So when you click one back, you see that you have developer options enabled now. That's great. Click one more back. And click one more back to go to the main menu here, okay? About 5 times back. And now go to Find and click down to the search box, highlight that search box. When it's highlighted, you can use the Alexa button on your remote, or you can just type it in, or you can search for it by using your voice. Downloader. The application we're searching for is Downloader, okay? You'll have a lot of applications that will come up. Even some wrong ones might be highlighted. Like for me, it's highlighting the wrong application. You want to scroll on over until you reach this Downloader orange icon here with 655 reviews. So don't be fooled by these other apps. They do not work. You're looking for the orange icon, white logo right there that says Downloader on it. Highlight it and click on that logo. It'll take you to another screen. And here you'll be presented with this screen. Okay, and press the download button. Now, when the downloader finishes downloading, don't open it up. Let it download, let it install, but let's not open it up. We have to do a couple more things to get this going. So this will give you a message that it's installed, and we're simply going to hit the home button. Now, from this screen, what I want you to do is go to Settings and go to My Fire TV or My Device. Now, remember we turned on developer options. Now you're going to go into developer options. You're going to go into install unknown apps. Click in there. And you're going to turn the downloader to the on position just like that. Okay. Once you do that, hit once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times back to go to the main menu. Now, the next step we have to take is go to Find. This one we're going to search for. Click into the search box again. And in this search box right here, all you want to type in is IPVANISH. IPVanish. Highlight it just like that and search for it. Okay. It's going to come up with some applications, but the one we're looking specifically for is this black logo, white font, green font that says IPVanish on it with more than, I believe, 94,000 4-star reviews. Click on that and click to download the IPVanish VPN. Now, what this is going to do is going to unlock all access for movies, TV shows, sports, blocked content, blocked movies, blocked sports, blocked access to the unlinked application, and blocked updates for these applications to even function. So internet service providers have been smarter. They've been blocking all this content. They've been blocking all these movies and all this stuff. What IPVanish is going to do is going to unlock all that content for you and unlock access to the unlinked application where you can get all the apps. So press the open button, and on this screen, you'll be presented with a login and password. You can log in with your email and password. I have my account set up. I use one account on 10 devices at home. You can see this is my third Firestick, as we seen in the beginning of the video. So I have many Firesticks set up, and I'm using one account on all devices. Works on iPads, iPhones, Android phones, Firesticks, on boxes, smart TVs, you name it. Every platform is supported, okay? Now, to get your own account with your own email and password set up, you can scan this barcode here right now on the screen. You can also go to this bit.ly link here, bit.ly/vpnget, also clickable in the pinned comment description. When you go there, you'll end up on a landing page, and from there, you choose your package. Right now, I have negotiated a deal for you guys with IPVanish to give you guys this at the same cost of a latte at Starbucks or even less. $2 and change will keep you protected for a whole month, give you access to all these apps, unlimited access, untethered access, and it's $2 and change per month. That's how much it costs, like a latte at Starbucks, through my affiliate link that I negotiated a low price for you guys like this. So scanning this barcode will take you to that landing page. From there, you'll sign up by putting your email address. You'll sign up by creating your password. Now, when you hit sign up, you'll get an email notification from them. Hit on that email to confirm your account. Once you confirm your account, log in by putting your email and then your password you created by scanning this barcode or go into this bit.ly link also in the pinned comment description. That'll keep you safe, protected, and will unlock all the access to Unlinked. So I'm going to log in mine to putting my own email and password. I'm going to press the login button, and I'll show you how to set this up for all your movies, TV shows, sports, and all that content. There's a setup. I'll walk you through step by step. So if you need to pause this video to get set up with this information, get set up, unpause the video, and let's continue together to set this up. Once you log into the VPN account with your information, simply go to settings, say connect on Android startup, flick that on, okay? Don't worry about any other settings. Click back, go to the gear icon, okay? And do that. And then after you're done that, go to the location button. So this is the gear icon and this is the location. Click on the location button and scroll down to countries. And what you want to do, you want to connect to the United States. It doesn't matter which part of the world you're in. Always choose the United States. So we're going to choose United States. It's going to give you all the stuff and all the content from the United States. Click on United States, say favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star on it. Now click on it again and say connect to United States. Now this is going to come up. You want to press the OK button on this pop-up. Now what's going to happen is the screen is going to flicker, and now we're fully protected, fully anonymous, and now this is all set up. Okay, now we're going to hit the home button once we're done that and protection is on. Now we can start up the downloader application. Press the OK button here. Click one up, click into this field with a yellow box highlighted, click inside and simply put the following code. 10381 is what you want to put in. 10381, okay? Once you do that, press the go button. Now what's going to happen, I'm not going to touch anything on my remote. It's going to take me to a page, and from that page, it's going to start downloading the Unlinked application. As you can see, I'm not touching anything. Any minute here, I should get a pop-up. It'll say connecting and it'll start downloading, okay? When it's finished, it'll come up with a screen like this. You want to press the install button. Once Unlinked installs now, press the done button. Don't press the open button. Let's press the done button. There's one last final step. Press the delete and press the delete to delete the actual installation file of Unlinked. Okay, press the home button once you're done that. Okay, and now from here, all you have to do is go to the gear icon again, go to My Fire TV or My Device, and from here, go to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and make sure you turn the Unlinked to the on position. Okay, once you do that, you want to click once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times back. This will take you here. Okay. Now, what you want to do, you want to start up the Unlinked application by clicking on it. This will start up Unlinked. Press the new library here. Click on New Library. Click on this blinking cursor inside here and put in the following word, all lowercase, no spaces. The word is Firestick. It's that simple. Okay, just put in the word Firestick. Once you put in the word Firestick, simply just press the next button. Now, a welcome screen is going to pop up. You want to take out your phone and you want to take a picture of this because these are the best apps. And I update this list every month to give you the best apps for free movies, free TV shows. This is 17 here. You can take out your phone. It's not blurred out on your screen. When you're going to be doing this on your Fire Stick, it's not going to be blurred out. You're going to see this. Take a picture and get that set up, okay? Take a picture and then you can see which ones you want to get set up, okay? So I'm gonna now not press the enter button. I'm just gonna click one back and one more back to exit unlinked. Now I can click on it to get right back in and click on newtech apps to expand it, and you'll be in some categories, okay? Now I'm in the Firestick tools section. It makes it the easiest, but if you just look below, you see best sports apps. So you can scroll down left to right, up and down, and download those applications. And I'll name them which ones I really recommend for the best ones. There's over 60, obviously. You're not gonna be installing 60. You want the best, and I'm gonna give you guys the best, okay? So if you haven't turned IPVanish on yet, or you haven't set that up, you gotta scan this barcode to get set up for these apps to function correctly. I explained that in an earlier part of the video, but this will also help you to get set up by scanning this barcode and going to that page and giving you 82% off to get set up for these apps, okay? Now, what you would do, you would highlight the app you want to download in my store by going up and down, left to right. You would click on the actual application, press the download button. It would download the application, okay? And then you would just press the install app and press the install button, and that would flicker the screen and that would install the application, okay? Very straightforward, very easy to do. Okay, so if you missed the welcome screen and you want to see what are the best apps, you can simply scan top app list. This barcode here, you can scan it with your phone, and that will take you to a page where you can scroll up and down, left to right, and you'll know exactly which ones to download. But I'll tell you anyways, you can highlight them over and down. I'll tell you which ones they are. So here they are on the screen. You want to make sure you get the Flix Vision. This is good for movies and TV shows. You want to make sure you get On Stream. This is good for HD movies, high definition. You want to get the Sports Fire application for sports, pay-per-views, all those events, Sports Fire, okay? Then you want to get the BTV, another great application, but it requires B players. B player can be found under the media players in these categories. So it says right beside the application's name, it says B player required. So Flix Vision, On Stream, Sports Fire, BTV, those are really great for applications right now, okay? Sports X is another fifth one that's really great. These will keep you covered. If you want to throw, that's already 5 best apps I gave you, 5 incredible apps. If you want to throw in an extra one, no problem. Let's do also Film Plus, amazing application, requires Bear Player. So I'll put this information on the screen here. You can gather all that information, scroll up and down, left to right, and load those applications. This is going to really fulfill all your needs. And if you feel like it's still not enough, scan this barcode here, and that will take you to a page and show you which ones to get. You can get about 20 if you want 30. You can even get 60 if you're feeling lucky, but that's not going to fit on your Fire Stick. That's why I need to tell you the best ones, okay? Now I'm going to hit the home button, and you can go to Unlinked at any time to get the updates, to get the new applications, just by clicking on the Unlinked. When you install the apps, they'll just show up here. You just highlight them over, click on them, and install them just like I installed this one. That's simple, okay? Now, for this entire process, the VPN was on, turned on, it was running, it was connected. So to get your own account set up, if you haven't, to log in with your own account, you simply scan this barcode or go to the bit link in the pinned comment description. It's going to give you more content. It's going to keep you anonymous when streaming. It's going to keep you protected and safe, and it's going to give you more links for sports, pay-per-views, movies, and all that stuff. It's going to really make your experience much better. So take advantage of the discount we're offering right now, which I partner with IPVanish to offer you this discount. 82% off. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month to get set up, to get continuous access to Unlinked, all the updates, and continuously stream all this exciting content, okay? Now, that's how to do it with IPVanish. And if you have any questions, drop them below. And I haven't put a pin lock on my store, 4-digit pin. I might do that in the future, but I haven't done it. If I do put a 4-digit pin, I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for money. I ask for you guys to comment below this video. So when you comment below this video and I put the 4-digit pin, I will reply right below your comment, right on this video, auto reply to every single comment. So let me know anything. What's your favorite sports team? What's your name? Anything you'd like to let me know, just let me know below in the comments and I'll reply to it right away. If something doesn't work, also comment below. Also hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Would be highly appreciated. Also follow me on X. We're celebrating almost 1,500 subscribers. Now follow me on X. The link is in the description. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Hopefully this worked for you, and see you all in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day.